Look at my dog. She's cute, isn't she? Yeah, I know. She is pretty cute. But now look at my new cat. Even cuter. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, so she has extra toes on her paws, and it's really cute. She's like 4 months old or something. We just got her from Petco, so here's her tail. I have 3 cats.
I'm coming back down, bud.
And here's one of my other ones, which is right here. They are really cute, and if you didn't see before, there's my dog. And I can't find my other cat right now. So, she's probably under my parents' bed or something. But, I'll try to upload more cat videos if you like this one. And, please subscribe. Thanks!